morning. Welcome back with the MQL Suite Morning Market Report. Margin traded investment carries considerable economic risks, and whoever carries it out under his or her sole responsibility. Therefore, the author of this teaching session assumes no responsibility for any direct or indirect damages in relation to investment decisions taken by the listener. Today is Tuesday, June the 4th. Asian exchanges are mixed this morning. Wall Street yesterday moved at two speeds. The Nasdaq has lost the 1.6%, burdened by the losses accused by the FANG Securities that, according to rumors, could be the object of the American antitrust investigations. On the other hand, the decline reported by the S&P was modest, while the Dow Jones closed with a slight rise. The trade clash moves from the US-China axis to Mexico. Today, in Washington, negotiations on duties and immigration begin. Market maintain a climate of risk aversion linked to commercial tensions, which, together with a possible cut in rates by the Federal Reserve, is favoring safe haven assets such as precious metals and treasuries, whose yield continues to fall. The market is discounting three declines in interest rates. The president of the Fed, Lewis Ballard, usually favorable to the expansive measures, last night declared that there is need to lower the rates. The market awaits the intervention of Powell, scheduled for today, for more clarification on the intentions of the central bank. In Australia, the central bank has revised the rates for the first time in 3 years, with a cut to the new all-time low of 1.25%. The rate cut was widely expected by the market after another month of weak economic data, in particular after the increase in unemployment in April to 5.2%. RBA Governor Philip Lowe said lowering rates will help make further incursion into the economy's unused capacity and accelerate the process of reducing unemployment and increasing inflation. It's 5 to 11. The Swiss index and the DAX are moving upward, with a gain of 0.34% and 0.85% respectively. The gold is appreciating and by now is moving on the daily parity. In the forex market, the Australian dollar is losing 0.03% against the Canadian dollar. The pound is weakening. GBP/AUD is losing 0.12%, GBP CAD is losing 0.16%, and GBP Yen is losing 0.06%. The euro is the strongest currency this morning, with a 0.84% gain on the basket. On the other hand, the New Zealand dollar is the weakest currency, with a 0.77% losses on the basket. The best performance is recorded by now by Euro NZD, that is gaining 0.20%. On the contrary, the worst performance is recorded by NZD UCAD, that is losing 0.15%, and the GBP CAD, that is also losing 0.15%. That's all for the moment. If you liked our analysis, please leave a like one. Furthermore, I invite you to register on our channel to stay up to date. Have a nice trading!